Today we'll talk about how can you use Groupon app. So in the first, when you sign out of your account, it's going to show for you like this here. When you sign in, when you sign in, it's going to show for you like this. Click on my stuff. So when you just click on it here, can you find your Groupons? It's going to show for you here available and expired. So then here can you get premium your Groupon details here. Can you add your card here? Details then it's going to add with you. So in here can you find your Groupon box here for account and for trading here. So then here can you add your payment methods. So can you add your card here, and here add your shipping address. Just click on it. You add here your shipping address. So then here you will find can you manage notifications settings here. Just click on it here. So then here if you want to enable your notifications or disable it. So then here you will manage preferences in this list for your profile here. So here can you add your birthday and here your age. Then here can you manage your gender. When you don't click here on save. So then we will go back. You add here your favorite locations. Then here you add your interests. So then here can you sell on Groupon. This here when you just click on it, we click here on sell on Groupon here. So then you just switch into open with you here. So then here add your business name and business address. You add your first and last name, then email address, your phone number and website or social media page. Select your type of business, then you click here on sign up, then it's going to add with you. So we will go back. Then here can you manage accessibility here. In this list can you manage accessibility here. So then here can you sign out. You will find here your saved list. It's going to show for you like this here. Here you will find notifications and here you will find it. Then here categories. Can you here select your categories here. Can you choose it in this list. So then we will go back to your home here. You will find here your cart. You just click on it here. You will find all cards you have in this list. So you will find your cards here. So then here you will find all tickets. I'm going to click on these tickets here. So it's going to show for you like this here. Can you pay it? And here can you pay it as gift. When you just click on it, then it's going to take you to add your card information. So then here can you save this tickets here in your app. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.